Alright guys, YouTube here. This is me Charisma Tubagus here, and today I would like to show you about the branching mechanism in programming language, especially in Java programming. What is branching? Branching means you got to select certain kinds of block of codes based on certain conditions. Okay, that means you got to use the if statement. Okay, alright, let's get started. Let's create a Java package. Uh, Not here. New Java package com.day02 and then select here and then create new class branching. Okay, as usual, use the PSVM method to create public static void main method. Public static void main method is the entry point for every Java program. That means you have to use it every time. And then for simple select if statement, I will try to use as simple as possible. Integer a equals to 5. If a equals to 5, that means as out a equals to 5. Okay, else if the condition is wrong, as out a not equals to 5. Okay, how to read this statement? If a equals to 5, it means if it is true, that means the program will select this statement, will execute this statement. If otherwise, if else, if a not equals to 5, if else, that means the program will execute this statement. Okay, since it is a equals to 5, that means the program will execute this statement. Okay, let's try. Alright, congratulations, you've got to create your first if statement successfully. Okay, if let's say I change this statement a equals to 6, okay, that means this statement will execute. Okay, that's right. A not equals to 5. Okay, you got it. It is very simple to understand this block of statement. Okay, let's say if you want to check whether the a equals to even or odd numbers. Let's say if a modulus 2 equals to 0, that means it is even number. A is even. Else, as out, a is odd. Okay, a is even. Okay, modulus is, if you understand mathematics, that means you already know modulus means. Modulus is remainder, is to get the remainder if you divide by something number. If let's say 7 mod 2 equals to 1, because if 7 divided by 2, it means 3.5, and the half means the remainder times 2 is equal to 1. Okay, you got it. It's easy to understand it. Okay, what else? If let's say you want to branch out many statements, you have to use if, else if, else if, else if. Okay, for example like this: if a less than 5, s out a less than 5. Else if a is greater than 5, s out a greater than 5. Else, that means a equals to 5. Okay, a equals to 5. Let's check it. Since a equals to 6 here, that means a greater than 5. Okay, that means the second else if statement will be executed. Okay, if you have any question, please comment in below video. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Okay, I'll see you next time in the branching video and for the next couple of training. Bye bye.